Hey y'all, so I'm here with my Gladiolus bulbs. They've been in my garage for 3 weeks now, and I probably could have done this a little sooner, but you know, here we are, here's life. So I have some paper bags. You can use brown paper bag, whatever you have. I just happen to have these white ones handy. And so what I'm gonna be doing is cleaning these off. So I'll pop off the old corms. These little cormlets I'm gonna save too, because those will eventually be full-grown corms. So first thing I'm going to do is pop off the old corm. Most of the roots come off with the old corm, but if they don't, just pull off the rest. And then you can choose to cut down the stem even more if you want. However you choose to do it is fine. Look how pretty that is, just like store-bought. So I'll just continue to do that with the rest of them, and then we'll put them in our bag. Some of them are super tiny like this. There's a couple. I'm gonna still save them. They may not do much, but they might, who knows? So some of them have a lot of this extra dry outer skin. If it easily comes off, just peel it off to where you get to the clean, dry skin that's pretty stuck on there. You don't want to pull it down any further than that. You still want dry skin on the outside to protect the corm. Some of them are hard to pull off. This one kind of looks rotten, both on the underside and kind of the top side, so I'm just going to toss this one. All right, that's that. Ooh, I made a mess. All right, 18 total Gladiolus bulbs and a bunch of little cormlets. So I'm just going to fold this over, and I'm going to put it in the veggie bin of my refrigerator. And then next year, early spring, after it's just starting to warm up, I'm going to put them in the ground somewhere. I'm not sure yet, but we'll put them in the ground and then they'll sprout all over again. So again, for zone 9A where I am, you do not have to pull up your Gladiolus corms. You can leave them in the ground and they'll overwinter fine, and they should sprout again. But because I wanted to move them, that's why I pulled them up and did this whole thing. So if you're in a colder climate, then you would want to pull them up every single year and do this whole process to plant them again the following year. It's a great way to prevent from having to keep buying them over and over. So it's really simple. That only took a few minutes, and so you can keep having Gladiolus fresh every single year. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.